What's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be showing you how to program the arm switch on your RADIOMASTER Boxer remote. And we're going to be showing you how to do this with the SpeedyBee F7 V3 board.
So the first step you're going to want to do is go ahead and go to the Modes tab. After that, you're going to see this bar called Arm in Beta Flight. You're going to go ahead and hit Add Range. Then to find which switch you want to be using for the arm button or switch, you're going to go to Receiver and scroll down until you can see all your channels. You're going to want to make sure your remote is bound, so any stick movements you make should move. So then you're going to go ahead and find a switch. So I personally like to set my arm switch as a nice easy button using the button SE, and I click that and you can see that it's visibly on aux 5, so it's transmitting over channel 5. After that, you go back to Modes, hit that Add Range button, Auxiliary 5, and then you're going to want to make sure this thing is all the way over so that when you switch the button, that it actually goes into the yellow zone. So you can just trim that up, just make it about halfway. So click that and it goes on, click that and it goes off. If you want it to be the other way around, where it starts on the off position, or you want to change which side of the switch activated, you just drag the yellow bar to the other side and then it'll be active in that position and unactive in the other. So after that, you're going to go ahead and click Save.
All right, and to test your drone, once you have all these settings, disconnect all the wires and then click that switch on your remote after the drone and controller are turned on, and the blades should start spinning and it should be ready to fly.
Yes. If not, some things you can go ahead and troubleshoot are making sure your ELRS tab is on the right channel and it's transmitting. And if you're not seeing any radio communication between the drone and the controller, you're gonna have to go ahead and wait till next week. So we'll see you then.
Let us know, guys, if you enjoy these short tutorial videos, and like always, we'll try to be responding to every comment. Other than that, we'll see you guys next week. Flying Fridays.
Settings are set to the right settings. That is not going to be helpful whatsoever.